Hey guys, today we're going to unbox and install this Otterbox phone case for a Samsung Galaxy S23 phone. This case is from the Commuter series and we have the black one, although it is also available in other colors including blue, green, and pink. And with that said, let's take a look inside. So we have the case and it actually comes in two pieces, but as you can see, we need to take the case apart ourselves by separating them at the seams on each side of the case. And then we place the Samsung's S23 phone into the piece that has the Otterbox branding on it. It would be the one that is slightly thicker. Make sure you have the phone positioned correctly so all the holes line up with the respective buttons. Then snap the phone into the case and check all sides to ensure the phone is snugly secured into the case. Then take the second piece and snap it into place at the bottom. Once again, check all the corners and double check that all the buttons can be accessed correctly. You want to make sure you have a very snug and secure fit so your phone does not slip out. Now the phone is ready for use.